Vybz Kartel, the world boss who changed dancehall forever. Gaza Gaza. Love him or hate him, Vybz Kartel is a name that echoes far beyond the borders of Jamaica. Known as the world boss, Kartel is not just an artist, he is a movement, a lyrical genius, and a cultural icon who revolutionized dancehall music. With a career spanning over 2 decades, Portmore-born Kartel's influence is impossible to ignore. From hits like Fever, Romping Shop, Dee-Da-Fee-Oo, and Summertime to the raw authenticity of his street anthems, Kartel has always pushed boundaries. His lyrics, often controversial, reflect the gritty realities of life in Jamaica, while his infectious rhythms get crowds moving worldwide. Whether you are in Kingston, London, Accra, or New York, chances are you've danced to a Vybz Kartel track. But Vybz Kartel's impact goes deeper than just music. Kartel changed how artists brand themselves, introduced his own line of products, and even launched a book while behind bars. Yes, even incarceration hasn't stopped his dominance. With countless songs released from prison, he remains one of the most prolific and streamed dancehall artists today. Kartel's legacy is complex, both criticized and celebrated, but one thing is certain, he gave voice to the voiceless. Vybz brought global attention to dancehall in a way few others have. Vybz Kartel isn't just an artist, he's a legend who redefined a genre and inspired a generation. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and let's talk about Kartel's world tour. It's official! Vybz Kartel is back and taking over the world! The world boss himself, Vybz Kartel Gaza, has just announced the most anticipated world tour of 2025, and it's about to be epic. Dubbed the World Boss Tour, this is more than a concert series. It's a global celebration of one of the most legendary, controversial, and influential figures in dancehall history. From the Caribbean to Europe and North America, Kartel is set to shake stages and light up festivals across the globe. May 24th, Guyana National Stadium, Georgetown. May 31st, Port of Spain, Trinidad, One Caribbean Music Festival. June 6th, Atlanta, Georgia, State Farm Arena. June 14th, Atlantic City, New Jersey, Boardwalk Hall. June 27th, Basseterre, St. Kitts Music Festival. July 5th, Cologne, Germany, Summer Jam Festival. July 7th, Amsterdam, Netherlands, Ziggo Dome. July 10th, Paris, France, Accor Arena. July 13th, London, UK, Wireless Festival. July 18th, Montego Bay, Jamaica, Reggae Sumfest. July 26th, Baltimore, Maryland, CFG Bank Arena. August 9th, San Jose, Costa Rica, National Stadium. August 15th, Kourou, French Guyana, Boom Jam One Day Festival. September 4th, London, UK, the O2. September 10th, Manchester, UK, Co-op Live. September 11th to 14th, Malta, Freedom Street Europe Festival. September 19th, Birmingham, UK, BP Pulse Live. From dancehall anthems to global hits, Kartel's catalog is endless. Even behind bars, he never left the charts. And now he's about to take over stages in more than 20 cities worldwide. Whether you're catching him in Paris, San Jose, or Port of Spain, this tour is your chance to witness history. Tag your crew, plan your city, get your tickets before they vanish. Vybz Kartel will soon tour Africa. Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, Ethiopia, South Africa, and many countries in Africa are on the radar. In Ghana, fans of Shatta Wale and Stonebwoy cannot wait to see the world boss. Gaza, Vybz Kartel, energy unmatched. Gaza, Vybz Kartel, a different breed. Gaza, Vybz Kartel, king of dancehall. Gaza, Vybz Kartel, world boss. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest in entertainment news. You won't want to miss any.